can do it. Look, go that way. You gotta hold on with 2 hands. Hold on with 2 hands. 2 hands. Go, baby. You're trying to do it with 1 hand. You're not that good yet. Hey. That your new toy? Gonna teach you how to walk, huh? Or maybe not. Here, look. Stand up. Stand up. Now. Go, baby. Go, baby. Good girl. You're supposed to walk with it, baby. Look, pull up right here. Right here. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Look, right here. Put 1 hand right here and pull up. There you go. Come on. Here, Mama help you. Come on. Come on. Now. Go, baby. Go, baby. Hi. Hi. Peyton. Hi. You gonna wave? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, this is her new walking toy. Hopefully she'll be walking in about 2 weeks. Hopefully. I have her running around the house for no time. You gonna bite on it? Or are you gonna stand up? Huh? Come on. Okay. Hi. You can smile. You can smile. There you go. Come on, pull up. Yeah. Good girl. There you go. You are just a mess, kid. Where you going? In the kitchen? Well, she's got the hang of it.